Meaning of grandmother's footsteps.
Grandmother's footsteps.
Grandmother's footsteps.
Grandmother's footsteps.
Grandmother's footsteps. Grandmother's Footsteps is a children's game in which one child is chosen to be the grandmother, or it, and stands with their back to a group of other children. The other children must try to sneak up on the grandmother and touch her without being seen moving. If the grandmother turns around and sees someone moving, that person is out and becomes the new grandmother. The game is a classic example of a stealth game and can be a fun way for children to develop their sneaking skills while playing with friends.